I'm in Rodna Mountains, the weather is amazing and there are a lot of beautiful peaks around me, but it would be good to know which one is which. Some time ago I did a review of the free mobile application Peaklens, which tries to solve this problem. The results weren't convincing, so I decided to try out a paid application, PeakFinder, which costs around $5. The results are much more interesting, so let's see what is it all about. The idea is that PeakFinder has multiple modes, some can be used better than others. The one we see now is the most similar to Peaklens, but it's somewhat better because we also see the contour of the mountains, and based on those we can figure out which mountain corresponds to which contour. And for instance, if I know that on the left that peak is called Gargalo, I can move the contours correspondingly and the name of each peak becomes clear. But as we can see, we have the same problem as with Peaklens, that the image isn't stable, it jumps a little. Maybe not that much, but the reason could be that the peaks we see now are at a bigger distance. The other interesting mode is the one where we see only the contours. This way we got rid of the annoying jumping, and of course, as I move my phone, the image is adapting as well. In my opinion, this mode can be used much better. Based on the contours we can identify the peaks. It's important to mention that the GPS is not 100% precise, so it can happen that it's offset. In these cases, restarting the application usually solves the problem. If we return to the first mode, from there we can access the third option, which in my opinion is the best to use. If I take here a picture, I have the possibility to move the contours on the ready-made picture. This way I can put them very precisely on the mountains. This way we can see that the peak in the background is called Ineu. Additionally, the application can determine the coordinates, altitude and distance of any point. It can show the peaks visible from a certain place. It can determine the time and place of the sunset, sunrise, moonset and moonrise. And of course, the units of measure can be chosen as well. Some of the functions can be accessed for free from the browser at peakfinder.org. My conclusion is that this application can be used much better than the free one from Peaklens, and in my opinion it is definitely worth the $5. It has some minor bugs, but those are usually solved by simply restarting.